guys, it's me, Katie. I've been trying to do this video for a long time. Everything has just kept getting in the way of it. So I'm going to be doing a review, my first review, and so yeah, it's going to be about a playset. So, the stuff that it comes with in the playset, before we get to the big stuff, this might give you a hint. If you don't know what these are, you will get a hint. I will tell you their names. This is Earl. I have an uncle who has a dog that's name is Earl. It does not look like this. It is a husky. This is Trunk. This is Bessie. And this is Dorothy. These, I will tell you in a second. These are them in cardboard. I have these scissors, and this is the box. It has the names on the back. I have the scissors. I know I've already unboxed it. I've had these scissors so I can cut out the cardboard so I can know their names. This is what it comes with for the playset to go into. It has these on the back, so it will go into a wall. This is what the playset is. It's a very small playset. So let's get it out of the box. Out of this box. So, there's cardboard over there. I did grab my scissors. Okay. Now we will get these scissors out. These are very small pieces. Don't let your kitties or dogs get them. I have a dog. So we have this very small ice cream. It's very small. Ice cream for the little cows. This one. And this one for the babies. And then this one for you now. I just made that up. So, here it is, out of the box. Just cut off this rubber band. And, now I'll tell you what they are. It is a Twozies playset. You did not see the box. It's a Twozies playset. So, let's set them inside here. Their little animal. Sorry, my TV's on, but it's at number 1. You guys can't see. I probably can't see. Let's see. Try and put them in. Here, we'll not try to put their pegs in because it's really hard. They're shoved in there. Not shoved, but. So I'm going to put the little things inside there. And the tiny one, and then for the big one is for the bigger things. Uh-oh, that one went shut with the big one in. Uh-oh. Yeah, this piled everything up. This thing came off. Let's try to manage to put it back on. Here we go. Let's put those two in. And then this one can just end on top of there. But there's no peg on there, and there's no hole. Just go right there. And then another thing in here. Okay. It's this. So it comes with some ice cream cards. And then, oh, you can display them in here. So it's like more like an ice cream shop here. We're just gonna do it like that. Oh, I can't do it. I'll do it later. I'll show you guys in a video. So I might do a vlog, like a small vlog on Saturday. It's Sunday right now, so like Saturday. So yeah, and I just noticed that these are Twozies. Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna show you. These are Twozies. So that's something that's not new. I've seen it. So yeah.